Hi, it's Nikki at Green Clean Designs. I'm going to show you how you're going to install your corner cubicle shelf. So it's going to arrive, you pull it out of the box, and then here's the piece that you can make adjustable to fit your cubicle panel thickness. And so if you've got a thick panel, like closer to 3 inches, 3.5 inches, you want to use this side, and you're gonna take the screw out and then put this in there to thread it so it catches that thread. If you have a smaller or less thick cubicle panel, like say 2 inches, you're gonna use this one. And the same thing, you're gonna pull this screw out and then put that down and then reattach that screw so it catches that thread. And that's how easy it is. So enjoy your corner cubicle shelf and send me a picture. Thanks.